Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, then find and pick contact that you would like to change cover picture in, and then click on the camera icon. And now if you would like to add a profile picture, simply choose camera, gallery, or one from those pictures. So as you can see here, you've got some stickers, but I don't want to use them. I will add one from the gallery. Let me pick it. Now you can also personalize it. You can make it smaller, bigger, as you only prefer, and then click on done. Finally, click on save, and from now on, every time this number will be calling you, you will see its profile picture. So that's basically all. This is how you can easily and quickly set profile picture to contact in your Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.